I have database, group of records are kept. In this, there are group of records. Record 1, record 2, record 3. These 3 records I am trying to insert into this database. When you are trying to insert the data into database, these 3 records I am trying to insert into my database. First, when you are trying to insert the record into database, first record there is no problem. First record there is no problem. Second record there is no problem. Third record there is the issue, error key. So if any one of the record failed, when you are trying to insert a group of record, if any one of the record failed, the entire operation should stop or only that operation should stop. If any one of the record failed, the entire operation has to stop or only that record has to fail. This is a question mark. Now you are writing. You are writing a 10th class exam, writing a BTech exam. Now if you are writing a 10th class exam, if you fail a 10th class, can you write an intermediate again, take a supply of 10th class? No. If you fail the 10th class, you are supposed to stop the classes, complete your 10th class, then only you can go to your intermediate, right? So what is this? It is an atomic. If any one of the operations fail, any one of the record fail, any one of the record fail, okay, any record fails, entire operation is going to fail. Now in your 10th class, there are 6 subjects you are writing, right? So when you are writing 6 subjects, any one of the subject you fail, entire 10th class is failed, entire 10th class is failed, you are supposed to take the exam once again. Now, if you are going with a BTech course, if you fail in any one of the subject, you are not called fail. It's called as what? Backlog. It's called as backlog. You can continue to second semester, then write the first semester subject. Second semester also fail, no problem. Go to third semester, write your supplies. Now what is this called? Non-atomic. If any one of the record fails, entire operation is not failed. If any one of the record fails, entire operation is not failed, only that record will fail, rest of the operation will continue. This is called non-atomic. When you try to perform a DML operation, they will ask you, is it atomic or non-atomic? What do you mean by atomic? Atomic means if any one of the record fail. Atomic means what? If any one of the record fail. If any one of the record fail, what should I do? If any one of the record fail, entire operation should fail, then it is atomic. Any one of the record fail, entire operation should not fail, only the record should fail. That is called non-atomic. Atomic operation and non-atomic operation. Atomic operation and non-atomic operation. I hope you are clear. Atomic means what? Any one of the record fail, entire operation should fail. This is atomic. Non-atomic means any one of the record fail, only that record will fail, rest of the operation will continue. So, when you are trying to perform a DML in the Salesforce, DML can be defined or DML can be performed in 2 different ways. One is by using the keywords. DML can be performed by using the keywords. What are the keywords? By using the keywords, insert, update, delete, upset. If you use any one of these keywords and perform a DML, then they are called atomic operations. If you try to perform a DML using any one of these keywords, then they are called atomic operation. Now, if you perform the DML using the methods defined in the database class, we have database.insert method, database.upset. So, what are these things called? Then they're called non-atomic or atomic. If you use the methods of database class, then we can run the operation as atomic or non-atomic. If you use the methods of the database class, then we can run the operation as atomic or non-atomic. But if we use the keyword, it is atomic. The keyword is used, it is atomic. If the keyword is used, atomic. If you use the methods of the database class, it can be atomic or non-atomic. I hope you are clear. Now, we will start the first operation with the insert. Then what is the insert? Look at the keyword, insert. X object or array of X object. I can insert a record or I can insert a group of record. If you try to insert a group of record, it is called bulk operation. It is called as what? Bulk DML operation. One record, regular DML. If you put a group of records, if you put all the records in a list or a set and perform a DML, it is called bulk DML operation. So insert account or array of X object. Then how you are performing? Account ACC equal to ACC.name equal to Wipro, ACC.phone equal to then I was supposed to give insert. Now when you are trying to insert, all the required fields should be obeyed, all the validation rules should be obeyed. When you are trying to insert the data, all the required fields of the object should be entered and all the validation rules of the object should be obeyed. So what I am doing, assign the values, insert ACC. It will save the record to database. It will save the record to database. I hope you are clear. Now perform the DML on contact object. Create a DML to insert a contact record. Create a DML to insert a contact record. A quick use case here. I will build a use case for you. Listen to the use case. I have a requirement like this. New account. Account name. Name, phone, industry. Ownership. Then we have a data links. Now I am taking input field or I am taking input text. Input text. How can you say input text? Because I have not used the properties of the field. If it is a pick list, I have to get a pick list. Am I taking a pick list? No. I am getting like a text box only. So here I have save. Save. We have a save, we have a cancel. When I click on save, what happened? Check. What's the enter the data? I have phone price. I'm supposed to give rating. Rating is also there. So I'll type account type. Now give industry, energy, click, type. When I click on save, check whether there is any duplicate record. If there is any duplicate record, throw error message. Error. Duplicate record exists. If there is no duplicate record, save the record, take me to the detail page of the record. Once when I am trying to create this record, once I enter the data, click on the save, verify are there any duplicate records with the same account name or not. With the same account name and phone number, are there any duplicate records? If there are any duplicate records with the same name and phone number, then throw error message. Duplicate record exists, we cannot create a new record. If there is no duplicate record found, save the record, take me to the detailed page of the record. This is my basic requirement. I hope you are clear with this requirement. right? Okay. Now to do this, so close the programs box. DML example one. Okay. Waiting. Here we have click void. It's okay. Now I'm giving page reference. Page reference. Page reference. What I'm doing, first I have to write a circle query. Integer. I think we are not on aggregate functions, right? So integer list of account is equal to select ID from account where name equal to is name and phone equal to. So what happened? If ACS dot size greater than 0, if size is greater than 0, then there are duplicate records. If number of records are found, if there are more than one record, there are more than 0 records, the same name and phone number, yes, there are some duplicate records. If duplicate records are there, then I have to give page page dot message severity. Duplicate record found. And what happened? Page dot add message. Right. Then what happened? We are trying to create account is equal to. Yep. Slash. Now if there are any duplicate records, return null. If there are any duplicate records, return null. If there are no duplicate records, insert the record. What is that? Salesforce.com slash account. How do you open any record? If you want to open any record, how do you open? Salesforce.com slash ID of the record. Salesforce.com slash ID of the record. Salesforce.com slash ID of the record. So what was that? Salesforce.com slash ID of the record. Go to the VF page. And I'm grading. Section header, title, subtitle. Yep. Title. Text. Page block. Section. Page block. Page blocks and title. Value equal to account name. Text. Input text. Value equal to then account name is what was that account name? Phone, name, phone, rating, rating. This is how we created. So once I click on save, record should be. So we are taking the data from the page, we are trying to insert the record. What is the name of the method? So if you want to create any buttons, value equal to save, x equal to x, command button, x equal to cancel. So what was the cancel? We are not defined any method called cancel. You are supposed to create public void. When I say cancel, what you are supposed to do? Name, phone, is each name equal to null, rating equal to null. Then get the data. This is how we create. But what you are supposed to do? Print error message, right? How do you print the error message? Apex page, Apex page message. This is how we got the data. We got account name, save. There are no duplicate records, so record saved successfully. Next time the same record I am clicking, save record, click on save, duplicate record form. So what is the combination of SQL query and a DML operation? When you are trying to insert the record, you have any custom logics, custom validation rules, how will you implement? We will go for the Apex class. In the previous classes we have done standard control equal to account, action equal to save, record is directly saved to account object. But here, before saving the record, you have some custom logics to be verified. You have some custom validation rules to be verified. So if you want to apply any custom logic or custom rules, what I am doing, when I click on the button, going to the custom controller where I am applying my validation rules. If something wrong, I am regenerating the error message. Otherwise, save the record, navigate back to the detail page. Page reference is used for what? Page reference is used for, okay, navigating the record to the next. Okay. Now let us see. If you are trying to create a code with a contact, on the contact object, we had a lookup field, right? What is the lookup field? What is the lookup? Lookup to account. What is the name of the field? Account. Who created that lookup relation? Salesforce has created the relation. We have not created, Salesforce created it. Okay. Then go back to this one. And account and opportunity. On the opportunity object, what was the name? Account. What was the field? Lookup account. This is the name of the field. What type of field is this? ID. Now it is a standard field. So what you are supposed to do? ID. You are supposed to create ID after the field name. Are you getting your point here? So let us do one more example. I hope this use case is clear, right? Okay. Now I have another use case. Look at my use case. Account data. Here I have then opportunity. We are going for opportunity. Now we have opportunity name, opportunity type, opportunity name, opportunity stage name, opportunity type. Then we have save or cancel. So then what I was supposed to do? Create one account record, and this opportunity should be created as a child for that account. And this is a child for the opportunity. Opportunity is a child for the account. And I am trying to use it. What was it? I am trying to use the properties of the S object. The properties of the S object. Now what I am trying to do? Account is created and it is corresponding child opportunity is created. Account with the corresponding child. So how will you create this example? If you want to refer to the properties of an S object, what you are supposed to create? Suppose you create a public. Don't. Then what I'm doing here is reference is equal to, first you are supposed to create public is equal to new account, C1 equal to, then I'm going to create insert ACC. Insert ACC. What is the ACC? ACC is already code record. Whatever the value you are going to enter there, all of them are stored to ACC. ACC.name, ACC.phone. Where I am taking? From VF page directly we are taking. Then I am taking a contact dot. It's not a contact, it's an opportunity, right? Opportunity. what I'm doing here? ACC dot account of the dot account ID equal to. Then I was supposed to say page. So what did I do? Was insert account and insert opportunity also. But before inserting the opportunity, what I told? Opportunity account ID. Why did I add ID after the account? Account is a lookup field. In the lookup, what will be there? In the lookup, whatever the account I am selecting, that account ID will be there. So I told opti dot account ID equal to acc dot ID. Whichever the account record I inserted now, for that account we are creating an opportunity. Okay. Then let us create a VF page. This VF page becomes easier as we are referring to this object directly. So, input field value title equal to value equal to, so we refer acc dot, then I was supposed to create account name plus the account. Similarly, I was supposed to create opportunity. Put field of the dot name of the dot of the dot. So we create name, industry, phone, rating, opportunity name, stage name, amount, time. So value equal to action equal to period. Action equal to action equal to cancel. So what I was doing was, so I was supposed to create cancel, public void cancel. Account of t equal to, so look at the format. The same structure I created, account and opportunity. Account and opportunity. So I am trying to create opportunity as a child for the given account. Whichever the account I am selecting, for the account I am creating a opportunity. So here I was giving Some I'm giving rating. But there is a bug here. What was the bug? Close rate is a mandatory field for us. Close rate is a mandatory field. Close rate is a mandatory field. Create an account record with the corresponding opportunity. Right? So creating a child record. Like this, tell me some relation, standard relation. Opportunity to opportunity line item. Quotation to quotation line item. Order to order line items. Account to list of contacts. Okay, account to list of opportunities. User to list of accounts. User to list of opportunities. Opportunities owned by user. Accounts owned by user. So like this you want to create. This is the second example you have done. The same example, I'll expand it. I want you to create. I'll create contacts. Last name. First name. Now I'm going to create then I'm going to get plus sign here. When I click on plus, when I click on plus, then this is account, these are the list of contact. Previously one account, one contact I have taken. Now you are going to enter one account, list of contacts. One account, list of contacts. One account, list of contacts. Now one account, when I say add contact, we are going to get this block. Plus one more contact, plus one more contact, plus one more contact. When you click on save, it is going to add one new account with a list of contacts. Is the requirement is clear? So previously we have taken one account, one contact, but now I want one account with a list of sales records. One account with a list of sales records. I hope you are clear. Now generally where it will be when you go for invoice pages, when you go for invoice, when you go for orders, invoice, quotation, this will be the event. Company will be one, invoice, okay, quotation, product number 1, product number 2, product number 3, product number 4, save. For this company, this is the quotation with the following invoice. Quotation has number of quotation line items. Order has number of order line items. Are you getting my point? One account, multiple number of sales. I was supposed to create one account record with a list of contacts. How many contacts? I am not sure. How many contacts? I am not sure. Are you clear about this? People are clear? Clear? People have followed. The previous example I made a bit enhancement. Requirement is clear? Everyone has this followed the requirement? Let us give the next one. So let me build. First we have public account, public staff, one account, multiple number of contacts. Account with a list of contacts. Then what I was doing? Public void. First I'll say add. Whenever you say add, So I'm going to do contacts equal to. Whenever you say add, it's going to add one contact to the. First, I'll do the first format. Basic example. I'll do. One accord with the contacts. One accord with the contacts. One accord with the list of contacts. When you say add, one element will be added to the list of contact. You are calling add, right? When you call add, what happened? One contact. Okay, one contact is added to the list of contacts. Page block section. First input field. Page block section. I was taking page blocks table value equal to list of contacts. Once page block table value equal to that was supposed to be column effects input text value equal to for the value a dot first name what is it within the column I'm giving input text within the column I'm giving input text. So what is that? Apex column within the column input text. You want to take input text and input field, it's your requirement. This is what you want. But it should be properly aligned. If you want to align them, you can align them. We can remove this element. So what is that? Account record with a list of text. So I can give a bit space here. So we go. Now here if you have one button called add. Create one more button. Yes. Here we have text command button value equal to Command button, value equal to save. That's it. Go back to the structure. This is how we go. When you click on add, you give input field. Name field has become required here. So I'll say input text here. So when you click on add, you are supposed to re-render. Right, boss. You got the structure. So enter the data, enter the contacts, click on save, records to be created. When you click on the save, how the account is created with a list of contacts is the question. One account with a list of contacts. Where are those list of contacts? So we have public void save. So what I was supposed to do? First insert the account. Insert ACC. Once you insert the account is created. Then we are supposed to go with the contacts. How do you get the contacts? Contact C. Contact C, CONS. Contact C, CONS. Then we got C dot account ID. For every contact, C dot account ID equal to ACC dot ID. C dot account ID equal to ACC dot ID. Then I told insert all the list of contacts. Why? Boss, never write a DML within the loop. Never write a DML within the loop. Never write a DML within a loop. We have a limitation for the DMLs. So don't write a DML within the loop. So what is that? Instead of writing a DML within the loop, outside the loop, what I am doing? Insert contacts. Insert contacts. Now what I want to do? Page reference. What was that? Page reference. This is how I created. I hope you got the structure. What I have done? Insert the account record, then take one by one contact. Every contact account ID is ACC.ID. All these contacts created for this account. Account dot. Once you insert account, we got ID. Contact dot account ID equal to ACC ID. Contact dot account ID equal to ACC.ID. Go back. I gave 3. Did you get my contacts? Account 1, contact 1, contact 2, contact 3. When I click on save, what was the work? So we had made one small, what was that? Again, we are supposed to enter all the data. Action I have not given. Action equal to. So if we give action equal to save again, you are supposed to re-enter the data. Save. Then one new account is created, the list of contacts. Right, boss? One account with a list of contacts. Go to the contact, what I have done? Account record with a list of contacts. Similarly, you are supposed to do the same operation for opportunity with opportunity line item, order with order line item, code with code line item. These 3 are very important. Try out the examples on this. Order with order line item, code with code line item, okay, code with code line item, opportunity with opportunity item. It is very important. You are supposed to do an example on these three. Whatever the structure I have done, the similar format, opportunity with opportunity line item, code with the code line item, order with the order line item. Come again? Write a condition, insert ACC. For contact. For contact, then you have to write extra logic. Full all the last names. We can do it. Write them up. Right? This, yeah. Now, what is this CONS? List of contacts. So, contact data is there. For the contact account, we have to set. Every contact is created for a particular account. So, CON, C dot, account ID equal to ACC dot ID. One account what I inserted on the line number 14. The account what I inserted line number 14, that I am assigned to C dot account ID. So, C is what? First contact, account ID is ACC dot ID. Second contact, account ID is ACC dot ID. Third contact. So, take one by one record from the list of contacts and assign account ID equal to ACC dot ID. Then outside the loop, I am inserting list of contacts. Right, boss? People are clear? Okay. Now, same operation I want to perform as an update. Right now, you are doing a sample query to verify the duplicates. Then you are performing an insert. What if you want to update the data? How do you update the data? You are supposed to write sample query, get the data, then modify. Any data which is already there in the database, if you want to modify, what you are supposed to do? Any data which is there in the database, if you want to modify, what you are supposed to do? Write a query, get the data, update. Write a query, get the data, update. Write a query, get the data, update. So how do you perform update? If you want to perform a operation of update, we are going to write update is object. Update is object or array of is object. Update is object or array of is object. If you want to perform any update operation, update is object or array of is object. If you want to perform any update operation, update is object or area of is object. Update is object or area of is object. Or getting the context here. Update is object or area of is object. Update is object or area of is object. Is that was clear for everyone? Clear? Now look at this. My requirement is like this. Now I want to fetch all the account records whose industry is energy and update them into banking. So how do you update? Look at the point. First you are supposed to get all the records. List of accounts. Here industry equal to.
Sir, why you don't do star, sir?
Again, you cannot write star. Star is not available in. Select ID, industry from account, where industry equal to energy. So what I am doing? Once you get all the account records, you are supposed to update. How do you update? Account A, accounts. Then what I am doing? A dot industry equal to A dot industry equal to banking. Update. Write a sample query. Write a sample query to get all the account records whose industry is energy. Update all the records. And again. Write a sample query to fetch all the opportunity records and update closed it as. Write a sample query to fetch all the opportunity records and update closed it as today. Write a sample query to fetch all the opportunity records, update closed it as today. update close date as today. So how will you do it? First you are supposed to fetch close date from. So how you are supposed to? Write a circle for to fetch all the opportunity records and update close date as today. Update close date as today. Right? Are you clear? The format is clear. People are clear with this. So if you want to update, what you are supposed to do first? Get the data, modify, then update. Then fetch all the account records owned by Satish and reassign them to. Fetch all the account records owned by Satish and reassign them to Wilson. Fetch all the account records owned by Satish and reassign them to Wilson. Fetch all the accounts which are owned by Satish and reassign them to Wilson. Reassign them to Wilson. So first what you are supposed to do? You are supposed to find out Satish ID. So what was that? Then you suppose you get all the account records. Accounts. Select ready comma ready from where ready select ID comma owner ID from account where owner ID equal to u1 dot id. What you are supposed to do for account A. For account A accounts account A accounts account A accounts. So what I'm doing owner ID equal to you are supposed to reassign them to Wilson. Then you are supposed to select ID from user where first name equal to Satish, list of account, get all the account records which are owned by. First find out the ID of the Satish, then get all the account records whose owner ID is Satish ID, then take one by one record, reassign them to Wilson. Are you clear about this? Next, get all the opportunities. People have followed these requirements about. You are able to understand this? Clear? Everyone is clear about this? Which? All the opportunities whose stage name is prospect and close date is not today. Set their close date as type as new customer. Done. What you are supposed to do? List of opportunity. Close date from where? Prospect and close date not equal to. Then what you are supposed to do? Change name equal to close to 1. Then supposed to update. Update. Supposed to update. Yeah.
But when we change in the bottom, then why we need to write the last update?
See, there is a data. You took the data, modified. Again, you are supposed to put back to database.
We are changing at the.
Now you are not changing in database, no? Now I asked you, give me your book. You gave your book. Then I modified the program. If I don't give back to you, you wrote a program. I asked, give me your book. It's a query. You gave your book. Then I modified your program. Whatever the mistakes are, I modified. When I modified, then if I keep with me,
But we are changing at the memory location inside.
what? You're not changing at a memory of database. You're changing at a variable. It's not memory, right? It's what? A variable. It is a variable. Now changes what you are making. You are making the changes on variable, not on the database. From database, you took the data, you kept in your local place. Now you modified. Once you modified, what you are supposed to do? Now I am not coming to you and modifying you. I am asking you, give me your book. You gave your book. Now where is the book? It's not with you. Book is with me. Book is with me means I am maintaining the copy with me. I'm not making a change on your copy. I took a copy of it, made the changes, and I'm replacing the old copy. Got it? Now his question is, you are already writing the changes in the for loop. Why are you writing update at the bottom? Now, what I'm doing, when you write a software query, you are getting the data. Where is the data? In the local variable. Now, data is not in the database. Whatever the data I want, I ask the database. Database give me the data. The data is right now on my variable. In the variable, I am making the changes. Where I am making a changes? OP. OP is not a table. What is the OP? It's a variable. Opt is a list of records. It's a variable. In the variable, I am making a changes. Once you made the changes, I have to replace the old value with the new value. Are you getting my point? Clear? Okay. That's all from my end. I hope people have followed this. Right. You are doing the use cases in the Facebook community. Practicing.